Hi everyone, I am San, who is responsible for product development at Kovna. Today, I will introduce a new product to you. It's called Clock Configuration Valve Control System. It's the popular IoT system we have now. Let me introduce some basic functions and usage scope of our system. We can now see that the computer screen is consistent and synchronized with the host page. In addition, mobile phones and iPads can also be connected. Our system, it has a switch between Chinese and English. Let me show you. This is our Clock Configuration Valve Control System. This system is divided into 2 parts and controls a total of 5 valves. One is for irrigation, 2 valves behind. The irrigation type is a full-level control method that integrates solar energy and valves. That are some common methods of irrigation in our agriculture. The following 3 are industrial regulating valves. Next, I will demonstrate it to you. There are 2 ways to operate. One type is of broadcasting nature. Another type is independent operation. Pressing one key can complete all valve operations. So we can see that all valves, including the irrigation system, are responsive or belong to an open state. If I set the value to 0, then our valves will all be in a closed state. From the feedback on this screen, it appears that all valves have been closed. Next, we will operate separately. Let's operate valve number 3 now. I set it to 90%. Now the valve number 3 has started to operate. We can see the change in the proportion. This numerical ratio will be consistent with the value you have set. The operation of valve 4 and valve 5 is the same. I set valve 2 to 50% to verify the effectiveness of our sim screen operation. Next, let's take a look at the screen display of the host. Our host is easy to operate and also convenient for viewing data. It can control 200 valves with such a small electrical box. The host screen we see now is consistent with the computer screen. We just set the first 2 doors. Now we will set the 3rd door. It's the same. I set it to 40%. Now our valve is starting to respond. Additionally, we will set all the valves together. Let's see the response effect. All of our valves are in the open state. Because the first 2 valves are switch-type valves, so its display is relatively simple and fast. The remaining 3 valves are regulating valves. It will display real-time ratio, so its response speed will be displayed relatively according to the actual changes in valve quality. We can now see that the entire set value is synchronized with the set value of the switches for this component. At the same time, it also has a 485 docking function. This 485 can be connected to dual machine positions. For example, DCS system. There are also connections to other dual position computers.